Good evening or good morning, depending on where you're at. This is Hildebrand. Welcome to our No Fluff Power Training, our weekly No Fluff Power Training. I'm Hildebrand and I'm a work at home mom, which I really love. Now, today I'm going to review with you the dark post, how to advertise on Facebook with what they call dark posts. So what are dark posts? Dark posts are basically unpublished posts. And I'm going to show you how they're really efficient and how everybody should be using them as they're really working well right now. I hope you're all doing well and we can just start the presentation. So I'm going to share the screen. If you could just let me know if you can see the screen. Hello, Marianne, Françoise, Maximilien. Yes, okay, great. So, why are dark posts so valuable? So, two things. Number one, a dark post, so it's unpublished. So it's going to be showing on your, it's not going to be showing on your fan page. So you first have to have a fan page in order to be able to publish a dark post unpublished, right? So it's not going, you see these posts are showing, right? Everybody can see it on the newsfeed, right? On my page, on my fan page. So if you don't have a fan page, you have to have a fan page. It's really easy to do, and you can just, look it up on YouTube, on Google. There's many tutorials. I have some on my blog and YouTube channel as well. So it's really important if you have a business to have a fan page. Now, why is it so important? Is because number one, so if the post is not going to show on your timeline here, why would it be an advantage? Well, if you are, for instance, I see that many people are promoting different products or services, so that's one big plus, because you're going to be able to publish many different dark posts and target different audiences with these different posts, right? So let's say you're branding yourself, right, and you just want to promote different products and services. Well, if you start to publish different posts that everybody's going to see, all your friends are going to see, some about one product A, some about product B, some about product C, etc., then people are just going to be confused. And we've been talking about that quite a bit in the past few months. It's important to just focus on one opportunity, on one promoting just one thing. But the reality is that many people are promoting different ones. So that's one of the things you can do in order to just target different audiences specifically. So let's say if you're promoting like a weight loss product, you're going to be able to just upload your custom audience, your weight loss audience, custom audience, and then you're going to be able to, they are the only ones who are going to be able to see your dark post about your weight loss program or product. Now, if you promote something else, let's say, I don't know, gardening product, for example, then you're going to be able to just show this post only to people who have an interest in gardening, correct? So that's because people don't want to be confused. If you're just, if they're just on your fan page and they see just so many different things, then they're just going to be confused for sure. So that's one of the ways you can make it work. Now, the other advantage is that with dark post, you're going to be able to, people are going to be able to see it. They're not going to see your ad. They're not going to see your post, your ad on their news feed. So like, let's say on the right side, let's see, I need to switch. There we go. Home. You see, usually when you just create an ad, a regular ad, and I don't know if you have created ads before, but usually when you create an ad, they're going to show, the ads are going to show on the right side of your timeline when you're using a desktop. Now, if you're creating ads, with dark post, with unpublished post, then what's going to happen is that these ads are actually going to show, you see, like this one right here. They're going to show on your news feed, on people's news feed, on your targeted audience's news feed. So it is really important because they're going to be able to just see it. They'll have more chances to see it when it's right here in front of their face, whereas on the side. Okay? So let's see how we can do this. So you have to do this using the Power Editor. I'm going back to the room really quick to see if everything's all right. Yes. Yes, Marianne, I'm recording. Now, I'm not sure if you have seen my desktop, my screen when I was talking, but okay, can you see it now? It looks like you were not able to see everything, so, but you heard. Okay, so now let's just go to, thank you, Marianne. Now let's just go to Google Chrome. So you need to do it on, set it up on Google Chrome. Okay, so let's see. First of all, so you need a fan page. We said that you need a fan page. And second of all, you need to run it when you're on your profile. Okay, so you just need to go back to your profile and click on Manage Ads, because you're going to be using what we call the Power Editor, the Facebook Power Editor, and you can just use this Power Editor only, you can just see it, you can have access to it only when you're using Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome, right there. Okay, so that's why you need to use Google Chrome, because that's the only way you can see the Power Editor. So now, what you can do is simply, you just go to, let me go back to Power Editor. Okay, so I was, sorry about that, I'm just like clicking on the wrong tabs there. So you just click on Power Editor, and then you're simply gonna click on Manage Pages. So you just click on Manage Pages. It's gonna make a list of your pages. If your page is not there, you can include it. Okay, you can just I just see that one or two of my pages are not showing. So here you just click on your page, and then so you see it's a dark post because there's a moon. Okay, that's a dark post. So what you're gonna do is just create a post. Okay, first of all, you're going to create your unpublished post. All right, so here, what I'm going to do is simply, let's use the English version here. Right. So I am simply going to create a post on my newsfeed that's going to be unpublished, right? And it's going to just, when people click on the image, it's going to send them straight to my website, an external website. Okay, so you can use this for anything you want to promote. So here I'm going to where was I at? Let's see, Manage Ads, Manage Pages. Okay, I was at Create Post. Where did it go? All right, maybe it was somewhere else. Right, it was right here. Okay, so create unpublished page post. So here you're going to include the URL, your page URL, external URL, which is, in my case, it's a It's a capture page where people can enter their name and email address, which I highly recommend. Okay, it's good that people enter their, when you're just going to pay for an ad, it's good. These ads are really cheap, okay, but you're still going to pay for it, so I advise that you at least get a lead, right? And then you can follow up, because otherwise if you send people to a sales page without capturing their email address, what's going to happen is that you're just never going to know who went to check out your sales page, right? So it's important, because this way when you use a capture page, you're going to be able to follow up with them. You're going to know who checked it out. So Power Editor, post text. Okay, so that's the ad, the dark post I created. So we're just going to copy paste. All right, post text. And then here you can just choose a call to action button. So I'm just going to click on learn more. Link headline. So here, that's what's going to show right here. Okay. All right, so pulling out here. And then you can just have a description. So I'm just gonna see if it will let me. No, okay, never mind. All right, so discover how to learn more. Okay, discover how you can earn money online. Okay, spell check, and then you're going to either upload an image or import from your website. So here I'm just going to upload image, select an image, and then you can actually have a link, a photo, a video. So it's pretty neat. Last week we reviewed how to create a post, a Facebook post with a video. So you can actually use that because videos are very powerful. So here in this example, I'm just going to use a picture. And I can refer you to the training from the No Fluff Power training from last week if you want to learn how to upload a video, make a video post. Let's see, where's that pulling here? All right. So then we just upload the image. There we go. It's pretty flashy, yeah. And then, so here, this post will only be used as an ad. That means like it's a dark post. It's going to be unpublished. And here you have the option to, of course, publish it on the page. So here, I'm just going to select the dark post because that's what we're doing today. So then you just click on Create Post. There you go. And then you will just have to create the ad. So you see it's a dark post as it's highlighted with the moon. So then you just click on Create Ad. Okay, then select a post. Okay. So that's what it would look like. I'll show you on the desktop newsfeed, mobile newsfeed. And here we're just going to view it. All right, view it on the newsfeed. That's how it's going to show. All right, and now I'm going to create the ad. So use existing, okay, or you can create a new campaign. And there you can use existing online tools. Already created one for this one. All right, and then you're just going to be able to change it to full screen. So here you're going to have there, I'm just going to pull this up. All right, so here you have 3 different tabs: creative, audience, optimization, and pricing. So creative is where you're going to select, okay, ad or mobile app, ad. Here you're just going to click on for a Facebook page using your page post, because you're basically using a page post that is unpublished to create your ad. And then you're just going to click, okay, that's the right page, fan page. That's the right one, page post, okay. You can select, okay, that's the one. And then you can, track your conversions by using pixels. Then I'm just gonna uncheck this one, desktop right column. I just want it on the desktop newsfeed and on the mobile newsfeed. Then we're gonna go to audience. Either you have already uploaded your custom audiences. I show this in another tutorial. Or you can simply choose create your own audience right here by interest. So here you just choose a location. So the post is in English, so we're going to just select maybe United States, United Kingdom, United States, etc. Whatever country you want to select. Then you can just select the age range. And you can create multiple ads where you can just see which one works best. You can change the picture, you can maybe use a video, you can use a different age range, a different interest, and see what works best, different countries. And here we're gonna, business and industry. How about we just select small businesses? Small businesses. So that's by interest, okay? That's a whole lot of people, so that just narrow it down. Business and industry. Let's see. How about we just do MLM? MLM, that will be that's not much. Network marketing. All right. That's quite a lot. 28,000. Well, that's not too much, but 28,000. And here, so you have options about connections. And here you're just going to click on optimization and pricing. And here you're going to either choose CPC, which is you're just going to pay Facebook when people click on your ad, or you're going to leave it as a CPM, cost per impression. So that's okay. Use default bids, so you don't have to do anything. All right. And then you just schedule it, and then you just upload changes. Okay, where's my campaign budget? Okay, what did I do? Active, pending review. Okay, where did I max bid per click 1 CPC. Okay, yeah, I think that's good there. All right, upload changes. There we go. Upload complete. All right, so it's in pending review. So then once it's approved, then Facebook will run it. So here you see it's ongoing, so you need to pay attention. When you want to stop it, you just click on stop, okay? Currently active, deactivated. I'm going to get back to the conference room. So you see why it's so important, why it is so valuable, because imagine that you want to promote, especially using the interest, if you want to promote, let's say, golf clubs. If you want to promote golf clubs or golf related product, and you just want to target your specific area, then you're going to be able to just target by your area, by your country or your area, and you're going to be able to target people who like who golf, basically, okay? People who golf in that specific area. And then you're going to be able to just send, publish this ad of this dark post, right? Unpublished post. You're going to be able to just target only people who are interested in golf and who are in your specific area. So this way, only these people are going to see your ad. You see how powerful that is, because now you're just not wasting any money on promoting to people who don't have the the interest, and you're publishing straight in their news feed, which is way more powerful than on the right column. So there we go for the presentation. Now I'm going to present, as usual, we just present the internet marketing tools that we're using, and then we can just have a few minutes if you have any questions about the presentation or about anything else. So what I use to work online, to be really efficient, to to automate my marketing and also to increase profits, is it's basically a tool set, an internet marketing tool set. And that's what any entrepreneur should do, because without tools online, you can waste a whole lot of time. So you just want to be efficient, maximize your time online, and be able to just track and target everything, okay? So first of all, if you want to do a business online, well, you have to have, your virtual store. You have to have either a blog or a website, which is, with WordPress pretty much the same. So that's your tool number one. You have to have your virtual store, your blog, your website. Then second tool is your capture page. This is with your capture page that you're going to be able to capture email addresses, just as we saw earlier, and direct people to capture pages so you can follow up with them. You're following up with your autoresponder. That's a huge automation tool. It's really important, because the bigger your list, the more you're going to make, and the more you can just follow up with with your prospects and your clients as well. You can just send them broadcast messages, follow-up emails, and just offer them different products or services, or send them news feed about your blog post or YouTube videos, or whatever promotions, whatever you want. So this is very important to have an autoresponder, and rare are the ones who don't use an autoresponder nowadays online. Now the tool number 4 is your video email. So when you send an email, and it is actually in your autoresponder, you can send a video within your email. Number 5 is live meeting room, just like this one, conference room. You can use it to promote, to just do tutorials, meetings with your team, presentations to your clients, to your prospects, etc. You can find many use for it. It's very important, because nowadays people are just doing business online. Now, last tool is internet marketing training. So it's really important to be up to date, because the internet marketing world is changing really fast. It's moving at a fast pace. So you just continually need to update yourself on what's new, what's working, what's the best strategy, etc. So now let's compare to different companies out there. So here you just have a company they just offer you a blog website for the same price. Here, this company, I was actually using Aweber before as my autoresponder. Great autoresponder, very professional, just like Pure Leverage, okay, but way more expensive. So I just thought, well, why just pay more? And I can have everything, all these tools in one. And that's what I really like about Pure Leverage, is that you have so many tools in one login, and very professional, very good tools. Another one is this one, where I'll let you just look at it. Capture pages, here go to meetings, so meeting rooms, and here Talk Fusion. You can see very expensive. So for Pure Leverage, you only pay $24.95 a month for all the tools I just showed you, with a $1 trial. And if you want more information about it, I'm just simply going to direct you to the person who invited you to this training. And blessings to you all.